Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about sTheorem. So now I want to show you how to answer. We want to find the limit of this one, but we need to find the limit f of s when s approaches to number 0 in here. Now we have these equations. So we can apply about sTheorem in here. So we have this one. And now we need to put the limit for the both sides. We know that this limit when s approaches to number 0, so I will put number 0 cone here. So we have the square root of number 5. Now we put this one gone here. And we have the square root of number 5. So on the left, on the right, we have the square root of number 5 and the square root of number 5. So the limit of this one equals to the square root of number 5. And now we can find the final answer in here. So we just put the square root of number 5 cone here. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.